Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
Last week's video, we showed you how we built this scale model. This week's video, we're going to show you how we built this.
Alright, if you didn't see last week's video, we built the scale model because we wanted to do some reorganizing and make better use of the space that we have available in our garage. One of the things that I had realized is I've got wood, large pieces, small pieces, and whatnot spread all over the garage, and so that ends up taking up a lot of space. And so what we're going to do is make a portable wood storage space, and something kind of simple, but it so far has proven quite effective. So we're going to show you how we actually did this in full scale.
So here is our mess that we have to clean up. Before we build the wood storage, Mr. Poorman is going to repair the walls where the wood had damaged it.
Once the paint dried, I moved the shop vac over to its new home. Here is where our wood storage is going to go, and we now have the measurements that we need to make it.
For this project, we're going to make a simple box and connect it with pocket holes. So now that everything is cut, it's just a matter of assembling it.
I ordered some good wheels to attach to this, but they didn't come on time. So I attached some cheap wheels that I had on hand, but I didn't bother filming it.
And now we load it up and we are good to go. Well, folks, it was really a godsend to build that wood storage unit. We were finding wood pieces everywhere and we couldn't figure out where to put them and how to back our cars into the garage. But now we have a place to store it and it's very easy and accessible. Next week's video, we're going to show you how we're going to build shelving for the laser.
So until then,
Bye-bye.